everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're visiting Nara Park in Japan and feeding the deer. Come and join us. Enjoy! Let's go! We're arriving at Nara Park in December. It's very cold outside. According to Shinto tradition, Nara deer are believed to be sacred messengers of the gods. The deer have been protected by law for over 1,200 years. You can purchase a box of special crackers for feeding the deer at the nearby vending machines. Many of the deer have learned to bow to visitors before being fed the Shika Senbei rice crackers. Nara Park was established in 1880. It is one of the oldest parks in Japan. Nara Park deer feeding is a major tourist attraction in the area. Currently, as of 2024, there are over 1,300 Sika deer at Nara Park. The park also offers natural beauty and cultural heritage.
Here you go. Come. Here. Hello there.
If you give these senbei crackers to the deer, they will usually allow you to pet them.
Here you go. Hello there. You're friendly.
Many of the deer are friendly and are used to being around humans.
Here you come.
Be aware of the larger deer as they may be more aggressive. What a nice experience feeding the deer in Nara. Time to go. Thanks for watching. Bye.